In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix lag on PS4 Fortnite. So the first step that you want to do is that you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to your devices, and then Bluetooth devices, and then press DualShock, disconnect it, and then you want to unplug the wire on your DualShock 4 and then plug it back in. And then you want to hold the PlayStation button to reconnect it, and that's going to reset your controller system to lower the lag. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to audio devices and then make sure these are the same, and also uncheck the automatically connect to the headphones. So every time you start your PlayStation, you have to remember to make sure that these are the same, as like this is pretty much the thing that the PlayStation has to automatically remember to do. And if you keep your PlayStation from doing extra things in the background, it's going to lower its lag. So just uncheck that and you'll feel the difference in your gameplay. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to go to accessibility, and then you want to press the invert colors and then toggle it off, and then that'll reset your PlayStation's GPU. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the trophies, and then you want to go all the way to Fortnite, then press options. Let's just say this is Fortnite. And then let's press the sync with PlayStation Network, and then that's going to instantly reduce your lag in the game, as it has to sync the PlayStation Network to the game. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to friends and make sure that you have less friends, because the less the better. The less friends that you have, the less that your PlayStation has to remember, and it'll give you a lot less storage, which will lower your lag and also increase your performance. And then go to block players and then unblock your block players, as that'll basically just be extra things that your PlayStation has to memorize. And then once you have that done, I'll also clear your friend requests too. If you have any, just make sure you clear them. And then the next step is you want to go to your internet browser, and then you want to go to close window and then delete all the tabs you have open. So browsing history, make sure there's none, and then go to settings, and then you want to clear your cookies and your website data. So that will definitely reduce your lag a lot, and you're going to be editing super fast and picking up weapons before people in Fortnite. And yeah, so just you'll notice it once you do all these steps. And then the next thing you want to do, this is the last step, is you want to go to your power save settings, and you want to go to this and then copy these. So these are going to be the best for the lowest input lag. And yeah, just let me know how it goes in Fortnite, and let me know if you guys feel a difference, because I guarantee you guys, you're going to feel a lot smoother and a lot less lag, and you're going to feel that the performance is going to be really good after doing all these optimizations. So just let me know how it goes, guys. All right, thank you.